following message is being transmitted at the request of the Galactic Republic and the Civil Affairs Committee. An IPBM warning is in effect for the following planets in lylat: Carinaria, Titania, Macbeth, Papatoon and Eladard until further notice. At 2:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, several Venomian spacecraft and interplanetary ballistic missiles were sighted by radar headed for designated targets around lylat. These spacecraft appear to be hostile and the IPBMs are believed to be carrying nuclear warheads. You are strongly advised to seek shelter immediately and take canned food and a battery-powered radio with you. Please stay tuned for further instruction. This is an update on the current situation. At 8:53 a.m. Central Daylight Time, reports came in that Macbeth was attacked by a flotilla from one of the Venomian fleets. The extent of the damage is currently unknown. It is still unknown whether the IPBMs contain nuclear warheads or not. The fleet headed for Papatoon has broken off and is now headed for Kachina. This does not mean the inhabitants of Papatoon can leave their shelters, as a surprise attack is still possible. Please stay tuned for further updates.
Kapiteni in the Sedirinut Triembat Eindusenalisaiku.
Civil danger warning. Civil danger warning. Important instructions will follow.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Galactic Republic and the Civil Affairs Committee. At 9:13 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Venom launched a surprise attack on the capital city of Kronos. 57 deaths, 72 injured and 31 missing have been reported. The total death toll is currently unknown. It is still unknown if the IPBMs contain nuclear warheads. If you have not already seek shelter, you are strongly advised to do so. Stay tuned for more updates. This message is transmitted at the request of the Galactic Republic and the Civil Affairs Committee. At 5:42 p.m. the city of Tiangrad was hit by an IPBM that contained hazardous biochemicals. The IPBM did not contain a nuclear warhead. The contaminated area is being quarantined. If you are near the contaminated area, stay indoors. Symptoms of the virus from the blast include dizziness, nausea, vomiting, bloody nose, lesions and blood and vomit. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, put a white flag up in front of your house and guards will come get you and take you to the nearest medical center. Stay tuned for further updates. This is an update on the current situation. Tiangrad Kachina was hit by a ICBM that contained hazardous biochemicals. It did not contain a nuclear warhead. The death toll from the Macbeth attack is estimated 3,000. The death toll on Kronos Papatoon was 1,537. The Galactic Republic is currently mobilizing a fleet of starships to intercept the Venomian flotillas. The current planets under this warning are Carnaria, Titania, Macbeth, Papatoon, Kachina and Eladard. Stay tuned for further updates.
Kapiteni in der Serie Minute 310 Lylat.
This is a special news bulletin. The Galactic Fleet mobilized by Fox McCloud is engaging in battle with the invading Venomian fleet. Some of these battles might occur over the planets. Watch out for falling debris. These pieces of debris might be very large in size and will fall at high speeds. It is advised that you seek out shelter to avoid being hit by falling debris. Stay tuned for further instruction. This is a special news bulletin. The Galactic Fleet has pushed back the Venomian fleet and they are retreating to Venom. This does not mean you should leave your shelters as a surprise attack may occur. Fox McCloud is going to speak in the next 4 hours on the attacks that occurred over the last 10 days. We will keep you posted as events unfold.
Bright lights put me in trance.